crazy spot to fish, but this is what we're about to do. We'll post up right here on this edge and fish that deep hole right there. I hope y'all can see that massive turtle. You never know what's in the waters that you're dealing with, man. That thing came out of nowhere. Holy crap. Micro creek, micro crankbait. Pretty neat little crankbait. But it's a tiny little thing. It's like casting a peanut. To the tree. I immediately cast into a tree. So let's try this again. Micro crankbait, micro creek. Oh, now it's all tangled up. There we go, it's swimming now. Ooh, got hit. Ooh, got one. Got one. Fish on. Fish on, baby, fish on. Fish on, baby. Check him out. I do not have to get the pliers out. I didn't figure I'd need them. Oh, red belly sunfish, I think is what these called. Appreciate you, guy. Alright, this is gonna be a good one. Let's get it. I know where I gotta go, it's just hard to cast through there. I see them all coming from under that tree. I see you. I see you creeping. Just wait till I find a way to get under that tree somehow. Y'all's is toast. Ooh, that's it for y'all. Y'all done now. You know what Dory said? We just gotta keep swimming around this mug. You like Dory, that's all I tell you. Switched over to a little crawl crank, it's a little heavier. See what we got. Got way off in there where I wanted to be. This should be some fish right here. Ooh, got one, got one, got one. Ooh, what we got? I think it might be a chub or a carp. He's probably gonna hook me. Yeah, some sort of creek chub. I think this is called a horned creek chub. Yeah, I think that's a horned creek chub or a Asian carp. I really don't know. Comment below if you know. First cast with the crawfish. That's That's the heaviest one so far, weight-wise. Oh, nice. That's the only downside to fishing these tiny creeks is castability is non-existent and you hang up everywhere. Yeah, there's a red belly sunfish in that tree, imagine that. Couldn't be me out here fishing, could it? How you get a fish caught in a tree, Jonathan? How you do that? It's not even possible, Jonathan. How did you manage that? Come fishing with me one time. Let me show you what I can do. Check this out. Like a buddy Michael said one time, tree fishing. I'm telling you, tree fishermen. Well, this whole tiny creek was fun. So you'll see I'm tying on a big boy stuff, so I'm gonna have to move on to the big boy leg. I'll pick the camera up when I get over there.